In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue where pressing Shift+2 types quotation marks instead of the @ sign in Windows 10. How to fix it? Let's follow the steps. Click on the search box and type Layout. Click on the Home icon. Find and click on Time and Language. Now go into the Language tab. Click on the Keyboard option. Switch to United States Layout. Now go back and check. The problem should be solved. I hope this video was helpful for you. See you in another video. Goodbye.